Hello everyone. Now we are going to realize the fab life of semiconductor industry in Taiwan. As a normal equipment engineer, we are going to start one day work. The 0630. Get up. Now it's a normal condition. Sometimes you work very hard and get no sleep until the 1 a.m. Then you get up at the same time. As usual. If you work late, very late, to the 0300 a.m. you may get some sleep enough and get up almost 0900. Okay, then go to work. Work very late, work very hard is very usual condition in Taiwan. Generally speaking, get up and 0700 go to work, and 7 and 0730 I may get breakfast and check up information about last night and the last day, yesterday. Check out the information from the computer and we see the mail and see the data log. We know about the yesterday issue and the continuously the deep night shift member have the issue, the whole issue. We check up the information and get the information at first. Then 800 we collect all the data of the issue and then consult with deep night shift. Deep night shift usually from the 00 to the 0830 is a deep night shift work time, and the deep night shift tell you about the issue last night and the unsolved unsolved issue to let you know what you have to report and what you have to do today. Then start the morning meeting with whole department. Start usually until 0900 or longer. Don't get sleep in the meeting. In the meeting, you need to report the issue you have, including the closed case or the opening case. The opening case means the issue unsolved. Then to be continued.